Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. This video shows our landing at José Joaquín de Olmedo International Airport in Guayaquil, Ecuador. Our first attempt was aborted mid-descent for unknown reasons. Everything seemed routine as we continued our descent toward the runway, landing gear down, flaps extended, the cityscape rising to meet us. But just moments before touchdown, we felt a sudden surge in the Pratt & Whitney engines. The engines roared back to life, and we felt the unmistakable pull of acceleration. The nose lifted sharply. We were climbing again. No announcement yet, just the quiet tension of passengers glancing out the windows, wondering what changed.
An aborted landing. They just retracted the gear and powered up to take off.
Muchas gracias por elegir volar con LATAM. Para su seguridad, les solicitamos que permanezcan sentados hasta que la señal de cinturón se apague. Abran con cuidado los compartimientos superiores, ya que el equipaje pudo haberse movido durante el vuelo y teniendo la precaución de retirarlo utilizando ambas manos. Al bajar, por favor, asegúrense de llevar todos sus artículos personales y de no dejar residuos dentro del avión. Desde ahora pueden usar sus equipos electrónicos con normalidad. En su próximo viaje. Thank you for choosing to fly with LATAM. For your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is turned off. When you open the overhead bins, please be careful and use what hands to remove your baggage as it may have shifted around during the flight. As you disembark, be sure to take all your personal items with you.